Shopify to overhaul employee compensation with choice between cash and stock. Shopify, a sort of local company. Will, you're tight with those guys, right?
Canadian company, yeah.
I know a few.
You're a big Shopify guy. Well, I'm a big Shopify guy because LaterCase runs on Shopify. LaterCase, if you haven't heard, very thin cases for a variety of devices, including the new iPhone SE, if that happens to be the phone for you. Or Mo's currently wearing a LaterCase on an S22 Ultra.
Yeah.
Whew, take it easy over there, Mo. Jeez. Really flexing on them. You came back from your vacation flexing on them. Anyway, Shopify is a beautiful thing. Who doesn't like Shopify? Anybody not like Shopify? Probably somebody. The Ottawa-based company told employees about the coming change to their salaries at a town hall hosted by upper-level executives on Thursday afternoon, according to a senior source at Shopify. Shopify made the changes because a one-size-fits-all strategy no longer served the company. The source said, adding that employees will walk away with an overall higher salary across most roles and locations as a result of the new compensation framework.
Yeah, this is something I've noticed a lot of companies doing right now because of this tech talent. Everyone's trying to
poach.
Exactly. And we saw Apple giving the $250,000 to engineers in stocks to keep them around. And I was reading, this is speculative, but I was reading that a big reason for why Amazon and Tesla are splitting their stock again is so that they can pay their employees in stock options. It's easier to pay a paycheck if your stock isn't $3,000, right? It's just too expensive. You can't do it. And I know Tesla has a 15% off for their employees, but even then, that's still too expensive.
Right. Per share you're talking about. Yeah. And most compensation packages would be hard to include shares when they're worth
right. When you're giving fractions
the whole paycheck. Yeah. Well, there's definitely a battle going on for talent, and you have to assume, especially when we're talking about engineers and things like this, like a lot of them not just getting poached by other large-scale traditional tech companies, but also the Web3 stuff. We've been talking about crypto and God knows where else. So yeah, definitely that could be a big component. But also, I know Shopify did really well over COVID because everybody was starting these at-home businesses and everybody was shopping online. If you weren't shopping on Amazon, you were probably shopping on a Shopify site.
Crashed hard though after COVID.
Post-COVID crash, but you had to expect it would normalize a little bit. No,
hit the 5-year will. You'll see it.
Yeah. So there's COVID. Look at the COVID climb and then everyone was like, "Oh, malls are open." No, it definitely didn't happen to that extent, but you understand people.
Absolutely, yeah.
This sort of thing kind of regulating itself a little bit here.
Little correction.